Are you recording?
Yes.
Hey guys, I'm your host, Jewbacca, otherwise known as Jewbacca. Today I'm going to be unboxing some toy reviews, and we're going to review this toy. It is called the Wonderful and Magical Color Burst. 120 color-filled water balloons. Freaky fast. Matcha. Okay, so today we have red, green, blue, and yeah. Okay, so we are going to be testing out the blue one. Maybe leave some more just in case for some future laughs and giggles in the future. I'm an Indian. Fucking shit. Alright, let's go, shall we? Oh, gee golly. Oh, that's fucked. Okay. This is bullshit. Keep going. Alright, okay, stop. What the fuck?
Ah, it's squirty. Ah. They look like grapes.
Got a ripe one right here.
Ah.
What am I doing, man?
This is so bad.
So this is the end product of the great, fantastical water balloon. What was it called?
I don't fucking remember.
Anyway, as you can see, there was some failure on the ground as it is blue, and some of the balloons didn't go all the way, so that's not very cool.
Oh, fucking go. Okay.
I give this product.
Bite it. Come on.
I give this product 9 stars a David out of 24. This is because it was very hard to do, you know? Some of them didn't work. There was paint everywhere. I jizzed myself. My hands got dirty. My glasses got dirty. My ground got dirty. It's just a really unpredictable product, let's say. But it can be lots of fun.